Okay, you've got to check out these beautiful brownies made in our Forteez Flower Tray. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these out. Kind of just wiggle them a little bit to release. And look how gorgeous those brownies are. Nothing is sticking. I didn't spray, grease, oil, prep the pan in any way. I just put the brownie batter in the pan, baked it 350 degrees, 25 minutes, and look at those gorgeous flour brownies. You could serve the pretty side up or flat traditional side up. Isn't this the best? You can freeze your chicken broth, and these are exact half-cup portions, and then you can put them in your storage container, put up in the freezer, or when you need them. Okay, this is a smaller version of my so delicious chili rellenos quiche bites. Super easy. The full recipe is on my website, cookwiththeresa.com. This is half whisked. So 6 eggs you're gonna whisk up. I already prepped them in here ahead of time. And then to those 6 eggs, I'm going to add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. You can use non-fat, full fat, totally your choice, but the plain Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to whisk that up with 1 can of 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, and you don't drain it. Just dump the whole can in there, you guys. And then you can go anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of shredded Mexican blend cheese, pepper jack cheese, whatever your favorite cheese is. We're gonna mix all that up. That is it, simple recipe. You can totally add a couple drops of hot sauce if you'd like, but I love it just this way. It's so yummy. So you whisk it up until combined, and then you can see, as with all my other Forteez pans, I don't spray, grease, oil, prep the pan in any way. You wanna make sure that your Forteez pan is sitting on your perforated baking sheet, and then you're gonna fill each of the wells. Again, don't prep it, just fill it. Okay, and this is half a recipe, so it fills half the tray. The full recipe will fill all 12 wells. So you're gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees. These are gonna cook for about 25 minutes. Okay, they're piping hot out of the oven, and you're gonna see, even though it's hot, I can touch it, it's hot though. Flip it right out. Look at those gorgeous, nothing sticks, crustless quiche chili rellenos bites.